In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Binance verification failed. Now, there's multiple reasons why this issue could be happening, and in this video, we go over the most common causes and solutions. So the first thing that you guys always want to do is to verify your personal information. Make sure that the personal details you entered, including your name, address, date of birth, etc., match exactly with the information on your government issued ID, such as your passport, driver's license, or a national ID card. Any error can lead to verification failure, and in my instance, it actually did result in me failing to do verification, so that is a little bit unfortunate. And also, you will need to have supported documents, so confirm that your ID is valid, not expired, and issued by a government authority. Binance does not accept birth certificates or non-government IDs. And also, please go ahead and update information if you need to. So if your details have changed, for example, you legally change your name or maybe you change address and stuff like that, you are going to need to update that. So to do that, you're going to go ahead and contact Binance customer support, which I'll show you guys how to do momentarily. All right. And also, when it comes to the actual verification process, you always want to make sure that you take clear and legible photos. So you need to upload high resolutions, well-lit photos of your ID. So if your camera has like smudges on it, or for example, then it can mess up the verification process, because obviously it needs to be a clear and concise image of the ID. It should not be blurry or anything like that, and it shouldn't have like some great shadow or anything. And here's a nice tip: go ahead and place your ID against a dark background to improve clarity. So it could be like a black cloth or maybe like a black desk or anything like that, which is definitely a good idea. And also, let's go ahead and talk about location restrictions, because that is actually the reason why I actually did fail my identity verification. So you need to confirm that you reside in a region supported by Binance or Binance US. So unfortunately, I live in New York City, and that is just not going to work with Binance, even Binance US. So it is not going to work for me. So unfortunately, this is due to like crypto laws and stuff like that. And if you live in a state like New York City, for example, the crypto laws are incredibly strict and very restrictive. So it's a little bit hard to like really invest using Binance and stuff like that. So you can easily Google this up and it is going to let you know. So type in your area and then type in, is Binance available? So that is definitely something to take note of as well. And that is the reason why I wasn't able to verify my identity. And also, please go ahead and address duplicate account issues. So if Binance indicates that you already have an account, make sure no prior accounts use your details. If you suspect a duplicate, contact customer support with proof of identity to resolve the issue. Okay, now let's go ahead and actually talk about contacting Binance customer support, because that is going to be like the thing that helps you out the most. And typically they will help you out. I know it can be a little bit frustrating working with them, but what you want to do is you want to go over here to the top right, and then you want to scroll down until you see get help, just like so. And then over here, it is now going to open up Binance customer support. There's a bunch of articles that you guys can go ahead and take a look at, but you guys just want to go ahead and press on messages, and then you guys will be able to talk to a Binance customer support representative. And you want to explain to them your situation, explain to them where you are in the world, and you may need to provide like some ID or stuff like that, but just be prepared to do that. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.